Looking for flawless skin, silky hair, and a natural glow without spending hundreds on beauty products? The answer is simple: aloe vera. This one plant has been used for centuries to heal, hydrate, and rejuvenate. But what makes it a true beauty powerhouse? Stay with me because today, I'm revealing science-backed aloe vera benefits, DIY beauty hacks, and the best ways to use it in your routine. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Aloe vera for glowing, hydrated skin. Did you know aloe vera is made up of over 95% water, packed with vitamins A, C, and E that hydrate the skin, fight wrinkles, and soothe irritation? No wonder it's been called the plant of immortality since ancient times. DIY aloe vera hydrating. Face mask. Take 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel and mix it with a teaspoon of honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it evenly on your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water for an instant natural glow. Why it works? Aloe vera deeply hydrates and reduces inflammation. Honey locks in moisture and fights bacteria. Lemon juice brightens dull skin. Bonus tip: want an instant cooling effect? Freeze aloe vera gel into ice cubes and rub them on your face every morning. It reduces puffiness, shrinks pores, and wakes up your skin in seconds. Aloe vera for healthy, shiny hair. Dreaming of stronger, shinier, and thicker hair? Aloe vera has natural enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp, reduce dandruff, and promote hair growth. Easy DIY aloe vera. Hair mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and a few drops of castor oil. Massage it into your scalp and spread it through your hair. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes, then wash it off with a sulfate-free shampoo. Why it works? Aloe vera strengthens hair follicles. Coconut oil deeply nourishes the strands. Castor oil stimulates hair growth. Pro tip: if you suffer from itchy scalp or dandruff, mix aloe vera gel with apple cider vinegar and use it as a natural scalp detox. Quick aloe vera beauty hacks. Aloe vera isn't just for skincare and hair, it's an all-in-one beauty essential. Try these 3 genius hacks that will change your routine forever. Hack number 1: sunburn and rash soother. Apply chilled aloe vera gel directly on sunburns for instant relief. It reduces redness and repairs skin naturally. Hack number 2: dark circle eraser. Dab aloe vera under your eyes before bed. It hydrates, reduces puffiness, and makes you wake up looking fresh. Hack number 3: DIY aloe lip balm. Mix aloe vera with coconut oil and store it in a small container. Use daily for soft, hydrated lips. No more chapped lips in winter. And there you have it. Aloe vera is your natural solution to radiant skin, strong hair, and effortless beauty. Which aloe vera hack are you trying first? Comment below and let me know. If you love simple beauty tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on natural beauty secrets. I'll see you in the next one. Stay glowing.